First, navigate to the Settings area. Select the Accessories page and look for the Evanair sensor option. Enable it by ticking the checkbox. Now, various functions and options associated with this feature will become visible. Head over to the Ingredients page. Here, associate the ingredients with the NIR family relevant for the first ingredient you plan to load. Upon adding this ingredient to a recipe, an automatic NIR analysis will initiate on the DG8000IC if it's the first component. Next, go to the Recipes page and open the recipe you wish to analyze. You'll notice an additional option named NIR family. Here, you should associate the TMR family with the recipe in order to enable NIR analysis at the end of the load and homogeneity search. An extra checkbox is available to enable or disable the final TMR dry matter analysis, which helps in adjusting the water content. If unchecked, the proposed water adjustment will be based on the dry matter content of the first ingredient and operator error. If it's checked, an additional NIR analysis will be conducted before loading the water component, providing a more accurate dry matter analysis. Enter your Theoric mix time data in the mixing time field. This value will be used to determining the start of homogeneity search, which starts at 50% of the mix time. After associating the NIR family to the recipe, water is automatically added as the last recipe component, which is crucial for accurate water adjustment. Make sure to enter the correct data for ingredients quantity and Theoric dry matter level, and then press Save. On DG8000IC, start by initiating the load in standard mode. The first component to load should be the silage, where the NIR analysis will be performed. You'll notice the IRB code, signifying that the NIR analysis is conducted on this component. The NIR analysis will start from 10% of the component's loading. This parameter can be customized within the wizard. You will observe the NIR status icon transitioning to execution state. Loading continues until 80%, where the NIR analysis is halted, and based on the analysis, a suggested remaining quantity of components to load will appear, aiming to average the target dry matter level. Operators have the discretion to accept or decline this correction. Following components, without associated NIR analysis, are loaded in the standard mode. In an on-tank mode, water should be the final component loaded. In our example, water recalculations are based on the theoretical values, considering the dry matter of the first component and the operator error on succeeding components, ensuring real-time recalculations during the analysis. After the water component loading, the mixing time starts, set at 2 minutes in this example. At 50% of the mix time, the homogeneity search starts. Homogeneity levels might vary based on different factors and machine variances. Operators can decide when to stop the mix time based on the desired homogeneity level. In this case, we stopped it before reaching 2 minutes. Subsequently, 3 additional NIR analyses are performed to associate the final TMR with the NIR analysis results, finalizing the mixing process. A recap screen appears at the end, displaying errors and the final homogeneity level, marking the completion of the loading process and making it ready for the next load. Now we're going to explore the reporting features in DTM following the transfer of loading data, focusing on the insight you can gain into your executed processes. In the batch history report, you'll now find 3 additional columns. The first one displays the theoretical mix time, set for the recipe in the recipes page. The second one shows the actual mix time, dependent on when the operator pressed stop. The third column indicates the homogeneity level achieved when the operation was stopped. A new button allows you to view the NIR analysis results of the TMR. Here, opening the loading data, you'll see detailed information, such as correction percentage and correction cost for the first ingredient where NIR analysis was performed. By pressing on the See Details button, you will see the details analysis results for all nutrients. Various charts are now available on the dashboard. You can navigate them in the near area of the reports. For example, This first one illustrates the average homogeneity achieved for all recipes executed within a selected time frame. Another chart, when selecting a specific recipe name, displays the achieved homogeneity level for that particular recipe over time. Additionally, a comparison between theoretical and actual mix times for each recipe, on a day-by-day basis, is available in another insightful chart. For a comprehensive understanding of these reporting features and to see all available charts, please refer to our dedicated video tutorial on using the dashboard.